Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to link a bank account with the Square mobile application. If you're using Square to receive payments from customers, linking your bank account is an important step because it allows you to transfer the money you receive directly into your bank. Without connecting your bank account, you won't be able to withdraw or receive payouts from Square. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go inside the Square app, how to add your bank details, and how the transfer process works once your account is connected. So make sure to follow each step carefully, and let's get started. What we first want to do is open our home page and click our Square application. Then, after opening our Square application, we will go to Banking tab at the bottom of the screen. Then a new screen appears where we will tap the setting icon at the top right side of the screen, where a new option appears, Transfer Settings, which we are going to tap it. Where a new screen appears which has a big box, Manage Account, which we are going to tap it, which takes us to an external website outside of the application. Then an option appears, Link a bank account. We are going to tap that option. Then a new screen appears, then we will scroll down and click the Link an account. Then an option appears that says Add external bank account, which we are going to tap. And then a new screen appears where we will tap the one that says Link your bank account. Then a new screen appears where it will ask us to choose a verification method, and we can choose the one we are comfortable with, but for me I will choose voice or text message. Then a new screen appears where we will give our phone number linked to our bank account. Then an OTP will be sent to the number you provided. Now you know how to link your bank account with the Square mobile application. As you saw in this tutorial, the process is very simple and it only takes a few minutes to set up. Once your bank account is connected, Square can send your payments directly to your bank using standard transfers or instant transfers depending on the option you choose. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.